Hi, my name is Dora Bergen, and I am a business success and life mastery coach. Working closely with Bob Proctor, some of you may know him from the movie The Secret. Others of you may know him from the book You Were Born Rich. Now, here's what I want to share with you, what some of my clients are going through. Some of them have shared with me that they feel they're like in their own mind jail. Like literally their mind is trapped in a jail.
I was at the bottom of my rope. It felt like I hit rock bottom. I was on the brink of bankruptcy. My life was in ruins. I couldn't have any quality relationships. My life was just terrible. Dora ended up calling me one day and she said, "Hey, why don't you take this course?" And I said, "Yeah, that sounds like a really neat idea."
Others have shared with me that they cannot break through that ceiling. And some other ones have shared with me that nothing in their life has been working. Not their relationship, not their finances, and also not with family. It's like they're stuck.
I was getting sick and tired of being sick and tired. I was stuck in this spider web of negative thoughts I could not break through. I wanted to rise and get to my destination. A friend of mine introduced me to a life coach, Dora Bergen, who works alongside Bob Proctor and teaches business success and life mastery. I was intrigued and very happy when she offered me 2 weeks complimentary session. After only a short period of time, I have had some massive breakthroughs. I have put myself back in the driver's seat of my life and I'm taking control of my destiny. I've signed up for the program and I will talk to you about my success in 6 months' time. Thank you so much.
If you feel like your relationships are no longer working, let's see if we can work together. Reach out. You know, I always say that this program or my coaching is not for everyone. I say it's for people. I always tell my clients it's for people that are looking for massive breakthrough, a change in life, and a life of freedom. Text or email me, and let's see how we can move forward. Help you move to the next level.